In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover forgotten password on GoDaddy. If you can't sign in because your password slipped your mind, don't worry. This process is quick and you only need access to the email tied to your account. Start by opening your web browser and going to the official GoDaddy sign-in page. For safety, type the website address into the address bar or use a trusted bookmark and double check that the URL is correct and shows a secure lock icon so you know you're on the legitimate site. On the sign-in screen, look just below the username and password fields for the link that says Forgot Password. Click that link to begin the recovery flow. This takes you to a page where GoDaddy asks for your account identifier. You can enter your username or your customer number here. If you don't remember your username, you can use the email address associated with your account instead. Take a moment to enter the information carefully. Watch out for extra spaces, autocorrect changes, or old details that aren't linked to your account anymore. Next, you may see a quick security challenge, often called a CAPTCHA. This step prevents automated requests and keeps accounts safer. Follow the instructions on the screen, whether it's checking a box or selecting images, and when you're done, click Continue. If the challenge refreshes or you get an error, just try again. It can happen if the page times out. Now, head to your email inbox and look for a message from GoDaddy with a password reset link. It can take a minute or two to arrive. If you don't see it right away, refresh your inbox and check folders like spam, junk, promotions, or updates. Searching your inbox for the word GoDaddy can help locate it quickly. If you've requested more than one reset, use the most recent email to avoid expired links. Also, make sure you're checking the inbox for the same email address you entered during the recovery step. A quick security reminder, never forward password reset emails or share links from them. They grant access to your account and should be kept private. Performing this process on a private, secure network is a good idea as well. That's all there is to it. You've navigated to the sign-in page, used the forgot password link, entered your account information, completed the security check, and checked your inbox for the reset message. Take your time with each step, and you'll be ready for the next part as soon as that email arrives.